Have you been yearning to know what your favorite Hollywood star rides? Hey gearheads, welcome to the Auto Sparkle Show. Hollywood isn't all red carpets and flashing lights. Celebrities work hard, and sometimes they deserve a luxurious ride to match their success. Today, on Hollywood Rides, we're taking a peek at the top 10 cars owned by some of your favorite actors. Get ready for some serious horsepower and head-turning style. At number 1, we have the opulence and status symbol Rolls-Royce Phantom, starting at $450,000. Let's start with the epitome of luxury, the Rolls-Royce Phantom. This car screams opulence and status. It sets the standard for luxury motoring. Handcrafted interiors with lambswool carpets and starlight headliners create a feeling of unmatched elegance. Whisper-quiet cabins and powerful V12 engines ensure a smooth and effortless ride. The Phantom is a statement piece, perfect for A-listers like Brad Pitt and George Clooney who appreciate timeless design and ultimate comfort. Imagine cruising down Rodeo Drive in a custom-made Phantom, the ultimate symbol of success. Number 2, the ultimate performance and exclusivity Bugatti Chiron, starting at $3.5 million. Now, for those who crave pure speed and exclusivity, there's the Bugatti Chiron. This hypercar is the pinnacle of automotive performance. With a quad-turbocharged W16 engine that rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-blowing 2.4 seconds and a top speed exceeding 260 miles per hour, this hypercar redefines the concept of speed. The Chiron also boasts a technologically advanced design with adaptive aerodynamics that adjust for optimal performance on any road. A true engineering marvel, and owning one puts you in a very elite club. Actors like Jamie Foxx and Sylvester Stallone have been spotted behind the wheel of a Chiron, proving they appreciate the finer things in life and the thrill of going fast. Up next at number 3 is the cutting-edge tech and speed McLaren P1, starting at $1.6 million. Speaking of speed, the McLaren P1 is another technological marvel on wheels. The McLaren P1 is a hybrid masterpiece. This car combines a powerful V8 engine with an electric motor for a combined 903 horsepower. But the P1 isn't just about speed. It features an innovative EPAS system that allows drivers to choose between different power modes, from pure electric for city driving to maximum performance on the track. Formula One driver Jenson Button even made an appearance in a documentary about himself, naturally, driving a McLaren P1. Hollywood actors like Leonardo DiCaprio and Matt Damon are also known fans of this high-performance machine and appreciate the P1's blend of performance, technology, and eco-consciousness. Limited production, however, ended in 2015. Number 4, the aggressive design and powerful engine Lamborghini Aventador, starting at $507,353. We can't forget the Italian passion for performance and design. The Lamborghini Aventador boasts a roaring V12 engine, scissor doors, and an aggressive aerodynamic design that turns heads wherever it goes. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson and Sylvester Stallone embody the Aventador's bold and powerful image. Number 5, the Superfast Italian Stallion and timeless appeal Ferrari 812 Superfast, starting at $340,000. For a touch of Italian elegance, there's the Ferrari 812 Superfast. This powerful V12 machine offers a thrilling driving experience without sacrificing comfort. The sleek and sculpted design is a timeless classic, favored by celebrities like Justin Bieber and Nick Jonas who appreciate a touch of Italian flair. Up next at number 6, the epitome of British luxury and power, Aston Martin Superleggera, starting at $300,000. If you prefer British luxury with a touch of racing heritage, then the Aston Martin DBS Superleggera might be your pick. This handcrafted Grand Tourer features a powerful V12 engine and a luxurious interior that's perfect for long drives. Daniel Craig, known to the world as James Bond, and Tom Hanks, who also owns the classic Aston Martin DB5, have both been seen in this luxurious British car. Number 7, the Grand Touring comfort and style, Bentley Continental GT, starting at $200,000. Maybe pure performance isn't your priority. Perhaps you prefer a luxurious Grand Tourer for cruising in style. The Bentley Continental GT fits the bill perfectly. The Bentley Continental GT is renowned for its handcrafted leather interior, advanced technology features like a rotating infotainment screen, and a powerful W12 engine that delivers a smooth and refined ride. Celebrities like Ryan Reynolds, Orlando Bloom, and Robert Downey Jr. have been spotted in a Bentley Continental GT. Number 8. The ultimate performance and exclusivity Bugatti Veyron, starting at $1.9 million. Let's revisit the world of hypercars with the Bugatti Veyron. The Bugatti Veyron is a quad-turbocharged W16 engine with two narrow-angle V8 engines bolted together. This monstrous engine displaces a whopping 8.0 liters and cranks out an unbelievable 1,001 horsepower. It can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-blowing 2.5 seconds and has a top speed exceeding 260 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest production cars ever made. While production ended in 2015, you might still see it on the road, driven by celebrities like Jamie Foxx and Simon Cowell. This car is a collector's item and a true testament to automotive engineering. Number 9. The high-performance coupe Audi R8, starting at $148,000. Not all Hollywood rides are multi-million-dollar monsters. For those who appreciate German engineering, there's the Audi R8. The Audi R8 boasts a powerful V10 engine with multiple output options, depending on the specific model. It delivers exhilarating acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.3 seconds and a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour, it is a favorite of actors like Robert Pattinson and Chris Hemsworth. At last on the list at number 10 is the luxury SUV and off-road Lexus LX, starting at $92,000. If you need a blend of luxury and off-road capability, the Lexus LX is a perfect choice. The Lexus LX packs a powerful V6 engine, offering smooth acceleration and ample power for towing or navigating challenging terrain. Its interior is a haven of comfort and luxury and features spacious seating, premium materials like leather and wood trim, and advanced technology features for entertainment and convenience. Despite its luxurious nature, the Lexus LX doesn't shy away from off-road adventures. It features a four-wheel drive system with multiple drive modes, hill descent control, and a high ground clearance to tackle rough roads and trails. What else would complement action stars Arnold Schwarzenegger and Mark Wahlberg? They've both been spotted in this beauty. From the epitome of luxury to high-octane performance machines, Hollywood actors have a wide variety of tastes when it comes to cars. But one thing's for sure, they all appreciate a ride that reflects their success and personalities. So, which Hollywood ride would you choose to cruise around in? Let us know in the comments section below.
Today's show was brought to you by Autosparkle, Africa's leading waterless automotive detailing brand. Learn more about Autosparkle on www.myautosparkle.com and follow @myautosparkle across social media. Just before you go, remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on your posts notifications so you don't miss the next best thing since man could get moved around by a machine.